Formatting lists as numbered list or bulleted list is helpful for organizing material. Numbered lists are sequential and should be used to represent a linear flow of information. For example, step 1, do this first. Step 2, do this next. And step 3, complete this step last. It is necessary to follow these steps 1 through 3 in order to successfully complete the task. You couldn't properly complete the task if you mixed up the order of the steps, so using a numbered list is an indicator that the order matters. Bulleted lists group like items but don't signify a particular order. The first bullet provides useful information, but so does the second and third. Information in a bulleted list is grouped together without representing significance through order. Let's take a look at two examples. The first example is regarding library services at Roane State Community College. A common mistake is to use symbols such as asterisks or hyphens in place of actual bullets. To correct this, simply place your cursor in front of the first line. On the Home tab in the Paragraph group, click on the bullet icon. This will create a bullet that will be read by screen readers as an unordered list. Notice the difference between an icon that is formatted as a list and the one that isn't. Complete the formatting by continuing to mark each line as a bullet. You can also choose the drop-down menu to see other icons for your unordered list, such as check marks or arrows. If you would like to add space between the items in a list, you will want to avoid using the return or enter button. If adding space in this manner, the screen reader will indicate that you have separate lists rather than an entire list of items. You can add space by highlighting the list and selecting the line and paragraph spacing button and choosing your desired amount of space. The second example pertains to instructions on how to get started in a course. It is important that students follow steps 1 through 5 in a particular order. While the steps are numbered, it is not with the proper numbered list built into Word. To correct this, simply place your cursor in front of the first line and then click on the numbered list button in the ribbon. If you click the drop-down arrow, you will notice you have the ability to select different styles depending on what is appropriate for your content. Let's go ahead and format our second step. Notice the little lightning bolt that pops up to the left of the number. This may be handy in allowing you to continue your numbering in sequential order, or it may be that you need to restart your numbering back at 1.